Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric belt sanders. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Vever 1.5 kW belt grinder machine. Specifications. Brand name, Vever. Usage, commercial manufacture. Power source, electricity. Rated input power, 1.5 kW. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Rated voltage, 110 to 220 V. Spindle, horizontal. Rotating speed, 0 to 2800 RPM. Control, manual. Motor, 2 HP, 1.5 kW. Certification, CE. Item number 4 is Vever belt disc sander. Specifications. Brand name, Vever. Model number, BD4602. Type, belt sander. Power source, corded electric. Voltage, 120 V 60 Hz. Current, 4.3 amp. Maximum speed, 3,570 RPM. Dust port outer diameter, 34.5 mm. Disc size, 150 mm. Belt size, 4 inches by 36.0 inches, 100 by 915 mm. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, Mini Electric Belt Sander. Specifications. Brand name, SI Fon. Model number, HJS00000070. Usage, commercial manufacture. Variable speed, yes. Power source, electricity. No load speed, 4000-9000/min. Rated voltage, 110 to 220 V. Output power, 12-24 V. Speed control mode, 7-speed control. Speed, 4000-9000/min. Weight, 1.8 kilograms. Item number 2 is Multifunctional Grinder Belt Sander. Specifications. Brand name, SI Fon. Type, belt sander. Usage, home DIY. Variable speed, yes. Power source, electricity. Application, DIY. Sand pad size, 330 by 30 mm. No load speed, 4000-9000/min. Rated voltage, 12-24 V. Speed control mode, 7-speed control. Is customized, yes. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Kingtree Electric Belt Sander. Specifications. Brand name, Kingtree. Model number, JCBS55-200K. Motor type, brushed. Type, belt sander. Usage, home DIY. Power source, electricity. Rated voltage, 20 V. No load speed, 200-700 RPM. Belt size, 13 by 457 mm. Weight, 1500 G. Certification, CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.